watching Wicked Fabz.
Up everybody and welcome to the channel.
Okay, go. Okay, let me come out.
I would get a bar in here, John. Don't even get your hands in there.
This is real light. I got it, Jeff.
Go ahead, Joe. Pull.
Pull.
Let it hang right there until we get car.
What is up everybody and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do a little review on the Rough Country 2-inch lift kit that we installed on the Jeep Renegade Trailhawk. What is up everybody and welcome to the channel. Today we are at the 33rd annual Lucas Oil 4-wheel drive jamboree down here in Bloomsburg, PA. There you have it guys. We got the engine, the tranny, the transfer case all out of the truck as one unit. Explain to us on what you got going on here next.
So what we're working on today is a project for Leviticus Fashion that they had suggested doing a it's popular in TikTok where you kind of like make some action that wipes out the camera and you have a different outfit on. So we're working on that for them, and right now we're working on a transition between one room and another. You'll actually see Maddie in both rooms, and as she comes across through the wall, she'll have a second outfit on.
Oh, that's cool. So we'll let you get back to work, and guys, I'll show you a little bit of that. But you'll, like I said, you have to run over to Models and Cars and check that out. What is up, everybody? Hey, we're here at Jeff's Auto Body and Customs. So make sure you guys hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. This is Len, my father. So, Dad, how many years do you have involved in the automotive world and whatnot like that?
Most of my life.
This video, we're going to take a walk around the monster truck pits. Well, I got a call from Pat from A&A Auto Stores here in Dallas, PA. He told me the rims for the Jeep Renegade Trailhawk is in. If you follow the channel, like I said earlier, you know that we're building a SEMA build with a second-gen Ram Dodge pickup truck. What's up, man? There we go. So if you guys are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Ring that notification bell so you guys can stay posted on this build.
Do you want to split it, put it back together so they don't see a struggle for the next 45 minutes?
Yeah, that would be better. Yo, look everybody, it's Pat from the A&A Auto Stores here in Dallas. But let me give you a look at what the truck looks like without the engine in it. This one is an FX brand. It's a 12-inch double row. Yep. and we picked this up from A&A Auto Stores here in Dallas, PA. SEMA build project truck going on here, and the bed is upside down. So let me show you a little bit on the bed first on what's going on with the SEMA build. So as you can see, Jeff is also replacing some of the rails that were pretty well shot, as you can see here. Because we did used to mud this truck, so that's why you have all this rod on here and whatnot. I was recording. The cab's sitting over here, which is going to be going next after we get the sides onto the bed, and get that out to Apple Hill 4x4. Welcome to the channel. Here it is right here. We already have the tranny bolted up to the engine, as you see. And look who I brought with me. We got Greg from Models and Cars, and look what he brought. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to drop the drivetrain in our frame of our second gen Rams mud truck to show truck SEMA build. But if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. So this part of the build is to say thank you for your time in the Air Force and your service, and for getting me involved in the automotive world and building show vehicles and stuff like that. So, and these are the KMC XD heists for the Jeep Renegade.
Yeah, this is Project Scarab. You can see all about how I built it and everything I did with it on my channel, Models and Cars, as well as you can see some of the models that have worked with me throughout the time I've been on the channel.
Greg, what did you think of today's little off-roading we did?
Oh, that was freaking awesome, man. I mean, going off-roading, and it was my first time actually doing off-roading, and went like 20 miles. So yeah. I mean, it was a significant off-road adventure.
Out. As you can see, these guys are all getting crazy and stuff down here.
We are hot.
We are. Oh yes, I
Ready,
know.
Jeff?
I want to do it! You're in four-wheel drive, you dumbass!
What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Hey, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll it. Wicked Fabz!
Yep. Okay, Jeff, ease it down.
I'm Joe.
I'm Maddie.
Maddie. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz. I'm Joe. This is my father, Len. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz. Till next time, I'm Joe. There's Jeff. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how we roll with Wicked Fabz.